For the functional movement, I'm gonna perform the beer dog. It's um, it's in a kind of plank position. You extend and flex at the same time the opposite leg and arm. So if I'm doing the right arm extension, I'm gonna do the left leg extension at the same time. And in this way, I'm gonna work on my core stability, and it's a it's considered a functional movement because it works in multiple joints. I will use this exercise in the first part of a workout or even included in the warm-up. It's a really good exercise to start to move our body and generate that coordination between all the muscles. Um, One mistake or one coaching tip that I will give, it's to keep your hip stable, be really perform the movement really controlled and slow, and not go crazy with it. So in this way, you generate more awareness and more control of your body. The purpose of this exercise is to coordinate and look for that functionality in the things that we do normally. So I'm gonna show the exercise now. Get your hands here. Oh, buddy, over there. And then you touch your hand with your knee, and then you extend. And then again, hand on knee, and extend. Hand on knee, and extend. Hand on knee, and extend. I will perform between 10 to 15 repetitions to each side, and that will be good enough.